TLE Technical Drafting by Mrs. Melinda C. Seeley. Most essential learning competency number 2. Maintain hand tools, drawing instruments, equipment, paraphernalia in technical drafting. Hand tools and equipment are subjected to different levels of abuse while in use. These abuses may result in the tools being dirty, loosely connected, or even damaged. Before using any tool or equipment, it is a must that they be inspected properly to ensure that they are operational and safe. One basic thing to remember to keep hand tools, equipment, and paraphernalia clean is to make sure that the workplace is properly organized. The work area must always be kept neat and tidy. All tools and equipment must be placed in a clean and dry place. Clean tools and equipment work more efficiently. This lessens the effort needed to operate them and reduces the possibility of mishaps. Before cleaning any tool or equipment, be sure to take extra precautions since most cleaning agents and solutions are harmful to the human body. Better be safe than sorry. Remember this, only use cleaning agents as prescribed by the tool or equipment's manufacturer. Follow the cleaning procedures as well. Cleaning the tools after use is highly recommended. Tools with moving parts often suffer loosening of its parts. This is normal since these segments keep on moving. Ways to clean or store drafting measuring tools. Number 1. Be sure to inspect tools before using them. This is to check if they are in good working condition. This can be detected when there is ease and speed when in use. Number 2. After using a tool or an equipment, clean it thoroughly with a damp cloth. Wipe it dry with another piece of cloth before keeping it. Number 3. When not in use, the T-square is preferably hung by inserting the hose to a nail attached to a wall at the end of its blade. Number 4. Do not abuse or misuse any piece of drawing instruments. Number 5. Avoid throwing a tool to anybody. Instead, hand it over to him carefully. Number 6. Avoid setting off the distances individually by moving the scale to a new position from time to time, because slight errors in the measurements may accumulate and give rise to a large error. Number 7. Avoid unnecessary sliding of T-square or triangles to protect the drawing. Pick up the triangle by its tip and tilt the T-square blade upward slightly before moving. Number 8. Do not pull too much the steel tape or pull-push rule to the coil spring to avoid damage. Number 9. Oil the movable parts of the measuring tools such as zigzag rulers, calipers, dividers, and compasses to avoid stock-out. Number 10. Report defective measuring tools and any hazard to instructors. Number 11. Select the pencil with a lead or blade suitable to the type of work the student needs. Number 12. Never sharpen the pencil over the drawing or close to any of your equipment. Number 13. Always keep the pencil flat sharp. Number 14. Avoid dropping your tools and equipment. Number 15. Wipe off the surface of triangles and T-square. Number 16. Find or create an organizer where you can hang your measuring tools. Number 17. Have a separate container for marking tools. Number 18. Keep your drawing sheets in a plastic tube to protect them from dust and dirt. In doing simple repair of tools and equipment, make sure that you are knowledgeable in doing so. Repairing equipment without sufficient skills may result to further damage or inflict injuries to the fixer. If a tool or equipment is beyond repair, it must be disposed properly. Remember, it is the responsibility of everyone to maintain the good operating condition of all the hand tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in the workplace. Since these tools help in the completion of the different job requirements, keeping them well preserved will make work easier and more efficient.